story of how you two met.
It all started at a school in New York. I was always interested in politics, particularly communism, and hoped to help the poor. I understood their situation from my own experiences during the Great Depression.
We were at a union fundraiser when our eyes met across the room. Julius, do you remember the first thing you said to me?
Of course, dear. I said, did it hurt?
Did what hurt?
When you fell from heaven, my angel.
Ha 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 ha.
I'll go answer the door.
What's going on? Oh my god!
They're a liar, they're a liar.
Don't worry, I'll call you Manuel. Oh, it's so good to see you.
Why are you here?
They have imprisoned me too.
How are the kids?
I don't know. I haven't been granted the opportunity to set up any arrangements.
This will all be settled soon.
Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Rosenberg. I will be serving as your attorney in this case. Before our trial, we must prepare our testimony. Mr. Rosenberg, let's begin with you. Please state what you know about this situation.
It all started with my brother-in-law, David Greenglass. He came to me and explained his dire situation. He told me that the FBI was on him for leaking information to Russia. He requested that I give him several $1,000s so he could get away. I obviously didn't have the money to help him and declined his wishes. He became overcome with anger after hearing my reply. He's now accusing his own family of espionage, delaying his own sentence.
Wow, that is compelling evidence. Now, Ethel, what is your part in this situation?
I was always very supportive of Julius, but I had no involvement.
So, I need to know, are you two communists?
Well...
Okay. I advise you to plead the fifth to all questions concerning your membership in the Communist Party. I believe we have the power to win this case. I can tell by your sincere story that you are both good people with a lovely family. How could such wonderful people be accused of such a crime of espionage? You are completely innocent and we can win this case. Your Honor, the prosecution calls David Greenglass to the stand. Mr. Greenglass, what was Mr. Rosenberg's opinion of the atomic bomb?
He tried to convince me that it was beneficial for two countries to have atomic bombs. According to him, no one country could hold power over the rest of the world. He then set up a specific plan to leak secrets to Russia.
How did Mr. Rosenberg know the secret about the atomic bombs?
Julius knew everything about the bombs because while in New York, I had given him an in-depth description of the bomb. While I described the bomb, Ethel, his wife, typed up my words.
Thank you, Mr. Greenglass. That will be all for now. Mr. Greenglass, were you aware that you were engaged in a very serious crime?
I did.
Are you aware that you are smiling right now?
Not very.
If you were being honest, there should be no need for a smile. This is no laughing matter, Mr. Greenglass. Remember that you are under oath. By law, you must tell the truth. Your Honor, the defense calls Julius Rosenberg to the stand. Mr. Rosenberg, did you have any involvement whatsoever in the espionage activities of your brother-in-law, David Greenglass?
I did not.
Did you and Mr. Greenglass ever discuss the subject of spying?
I did not.
Did your wife have any role in espionage activities?
She did not.
Thank you, Mr. Rosenberg. No further questions.
We, the jury, find Julius Rosenberg guilty as charged and Ethel Rosenberg guilty as charged. We will now proceed with the sentences. Julius and Ethel Rosenberg are granted the sentence of death. David Greenglass receives a sentence of 15 years in prison.
This crime is worse than murder. The Rosenbergs are lovely people. Neither of them deserve the death sentence. How can a liar like Greenglass be trusted? The Rosenbergs are innocent.